Welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. What we're going to look at today is the BLX chart. That's Bitcoin going all the way back to the beginning. And we have just the Gaussian channel, no other noise on the charts, simplistic, to the point. That's what we're getting right to. So the weekly chart, we've already looked at the 5-day Gaussian channel and noted that has just turned green, which historically has meant the bull run is here. And the weekly, what does that say? Well, let's look at it. And there's something slightly different I'm going to show you in this one. So the weekly BLX, right, starting from the beginnings, the good old heydays of, nickel Bitcoin. Don't we all wish, right? The move up and the first initial contact and entered into the Gaussian channel, the bear market of, 2011 going all the way down to $2, right? Then we turn the channel red. But this is where the secrets kick in here, right? What happens after the price gets above this median line? So we're going to zoom in here a little bit. We're focusing on just this part, on all things we're going to look at moving forward, just this section. So the median line is here, right? And once prices get above here on the weekly Gaussian channel, BLX, right? We're going to note what prices have done, or what they haven't done, so to speak. Getting here, right? Once we closed above this median line on the weekly, we've never closed back below the median line on the Gaussian channel, right? So maybe you're catching on here what we're going to be doing. The new bull run, right, has started. Once we've turned green, price is on top, and we're good to go, right? Next bear market starts here, enter the channel, we turn red, fall under the channel, we come back out of it. Where do we come back out, right? Let's look at this, right? We're going to zoom in here, right? Prices get above, never close back below, although we did wick back previously just really briefly, right? So these are weekly candles. We wick down just below, but noting again, never closing back below the median line on the Gaussian channel on the weekly. Then move up, turn the channel green, good to go, right? Fast forward. Now we're getting to a little bit higher prices here, right? New bear market sets in, enter the channel. Channel turns red, fall under the channel, come back out of it. Look at the median line on the Gaussian channel. And once we close back above it, we do never close back below it, minus black swan events. But even noting here, right, if the black swan event never happened, right, if the pandemic never existed, look at this. This was likely the bottom. Couple wicks underneath, but no closes, right? You're always going to have a black swan event be the anomaly. So we're going to exclude the anomaly, right? Barring another black swan event, sure, anything can happen. Minus black swan events, this is pretty tasty, right? So fast forward, new bear market starts here, right? Enter the channel, fall under the channel, turn the channel red, right? And fast forward to today, where are we? Up in the upper half of the Gaussian channel. The low, where might that low be? Where are we now? 27K. Where is the low? Have we closed any weekly candles underneath that median line? No. What is the price as of now? I'm glad you asked. 25.4. So could we go down here? Of course. Could we wick down a little bit lower? Sure. Would we likely close under there? Minus the pandemic, the black swan event, we have never closed in Bitcoin's history back under the median line once recapturing it to the upside. So if we go down here, the odds are in your favor. And also note, what would that price be? Well, is it anywhere near support or a breakout level? I mean, you can't even make this up if it was a movie script. Look at this wick, look at these wicks, look at this wicks. That's the breakout, right? The retest, and right on the median line of the weekly Gaussian channel. Could be your last shot to load up, right? The fear will be running, right? Maybe we wick down even lower, but we know we're a little bit smarter. Just stand a little bit ahead, a little bit taller, right? Buying here, buying at support. That's how you do it, right? So what will I be doing? I don't know what you'll be doing, but if we are lucky enough to come back down, we've already wicked down here, right? We've gotten a couple wicks last market. We got a couple wicks. We got a couple chances right here, right? Minus black swan events. We got a couple chances to buy before the new bull run, right? So not too late just yet. No need to panic just yet. But You know, if we start to breach, right? If we go back above 30K and start to get above this channel on the weekly, I mean, it's historically go time, right? All TA is useful for is trying to relate what has happened in the past and try to extrapolate the odds in your favor as much as possible. This is what this video is for. I'm here to help every step of the way. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, thumbs up, share it with someone. Like the video, consider subscribing. Let's get to our quote and car of the day, of course. Quote of the day, May 16th. Silence is the sleep that nourishes wisdom. Deep. Car of the day, McLaren 600 LT. One of the coolest McLarens because it has the built-in, s'more roaster. This is the exhaust. Shoots flames out if you rev it. There's some videos on YouTube if those are interested. There's someone actually does that. S'more roasting going on. Probably wouldn't taste so good with the exhaust flames. But nonetheless, it's possible. There's the better color. This will be my color choice. Chartreuse, my favorite color on the planet. Chartreuse and black. Sip of water, because why not? 600 LT, it's right there in the blue. I got a blue on. They didn't make this color in the model. I had to get I think it's Paris blue. It's right there. The middle one. We got Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. We got 600 LT, upside down and backwards on this camera's. Tesla Roadster over here. Aston Martin Vantage in the neon, this color that you're looking at. And then up there is McLaren Senna. Cybertruck Lego. Lamborghini Sion Lego. And 3,000 other cars all around the room that you haven't seen yet. All right. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching this long if you have. Kudos to you. 57 gold stars. You deserve it.